And over the rest of this evening, we've got a tumbling temperatures across the area and also some winds also really kicking up. Plus, maybe even a few flurries. We're seeing some light returns across southern Wisconsin here on exact track radar, even starting to see some just to the south of the Quad Cities. So don't be surprised if you see some flurries flying around over the next few hours. Not really expecting any impacts. And then as clouds clear out tonight, then obviously any kind of snowflake activity will be going away. That's because a cold front has cleared out of the area now, and that's sweeping in much drier air and also much colder air from the north. And then also we're watching out for potential wet spots that are still hanging around on the roadways to refreeze, as temperatures will be falling well below freezing tonight. So watch out for maybe a slick spot or two as we head into over the next few hours. However, with the gusty winds, that'll help dry things out. So I think we're mostly okay heading into the morning, but still just something to keep an eye on, because you see those temperatures quickly falling through the 20s into the teens by midnight. Combine the winds there, now you've got the wind chills in the teens now will be falling into the single digits and will likely fall below zero overnight as those temperatures bottom out just below 10 degrees above zero. But then factor in those gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Wind chills likely to fall well below zero. And then tomorrow, even though we see some more sunshine as those clouds are clearing out, temperatures aren't going to respond much because we get into that Arctic air mass. So tomorrow's high only into the upper teens, about 10 degrees below average. However, we've also got those gusty winds, so wind chills going to be staying at least near zero. If we do get just above zero, it won't be off by much. So we'll take a look here at future track in terms of those wind chills. Again, across the area, mostly in the single digits below zero, though across far northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin, could see some teens below zero as we wake up tomorrow morning. So really want to make sure to layer up tomorrow. And then throughout the rest of the day, there you see those temperatures, or those wind chills, I should say, just barely getting above zero into the afternoon. And then as we head into Monday night into Tuesday morning, could be even colder than that, especially across southern Wisconsin. We may even see some areas getting into the 20s below zero. Going to be a very chilly start to Tuesday, and it does look like Tuesday is the coldest day of the week ahead with highs in the mid-teens. And then we get into a quick thaw. We get warmer air to surge in from the south, and by Friday we could have highs in the low 40s, so a 25-degree jump from Tuesday to Friday. But just make sure to enjoy this warmer weather while it's here, because there's high confidence in even colder weather to come by this time next week. So by the MLK holiday, we could be seeing some frigid temperatures. So make sure to layer up over the next few days. However, on the bright side, at least we get some sunshine. There you see that quick warm up there, Thursday and Friday above freezing. And there you see the first signs of that big cool down again in your most accurate 10-day forecast. We get into the heart of potentially the coldest air of the season as we get towards the end of that 10-day forecast, Sam.